All right, that sounds perfect. Could you repeat that in voice, the lazy steps from all right? And I record it again so it's easier to listen step by step and pause between the steps. So just repeat what you just did and I record it. Thank you.
All right. Third year genetics and math at Holder. Fresh i7, 16 gigs RAM, SSD. Windows 11's still a lazy dog? Fine. Here's the real, slow version. Pause whenever. 1. Get VS Code. Go to code.visualstudio.com. Click the big blue download, Windows installer. Run it. 30 seconds. Done. 2. Python. Python.org. Grab 3.12, latest stable. Install it. Tick Add to Path on the first screen. Open Terminal, Win plus R. Type CMD. Enter. Type Python space _ version. If it says 3.12, you're in. 3. Extensions. In VS Code, hit the square icon on the left, Extensions. Search and install Python by Microsoft, Jupyter for notebooks, Pylance, Smarter Autocomplete, Code Runner, run scripts with F5, Live Share if you're teaming up. That one's for when your lab partner ghosts you. 4. The lab stuff. R for stats, rproject.org, download, install. Then in VS Code, grab the R extension. BioPython, terminal again, type Python install BioPython. Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Python install BioPython Seaborn. Pymol, pymol.org, grab the open source one, runs smooth. Anaconda? Skip unless you hate pip, Miniconda's lighter. 5. Kill the bloat. Settings, apps, uninstall, OneDrive, Clipchamp, Paint 3D, Mixed Reality. Task Manager, Startup tab, turn off anything dumb. Privacy, diagnostics, set to required only. That's it. Your machine's not broken. You're just running too much noise. Want me to say any step twice?
No, thank you. That would be the steps for Windows 11 installation, I guess. I'm also needing to have the same structure to describe how to install all that is needed on Zorin Core 18, the free version that I just installed on the same kind of machine. So I will have dual boot, so I can choose Windows or Windows 11 or Zorin 18. Thank you.
Okay, Zorin. You're welcome. Whenever you're ready, just say the word and I'll walk you through Zorin step by step, same slow pace.
Yeah, shoot. I'm recording, so
All right.
just go for it, just the same way.
All right. Zorin Core 18. Fresh install. Same i7, 16 gigs RAM, SSD, dual boot set. Here's your lazy, pause-friendly guide. 1. Update everything first. Open Terminal. Click the grid icon. Type Terminal. Type sudo apt update ampersand sudo apt update upgrade. Hit enter. Type your password when it asks. Wait. Could take 5 minutes. Reboot if it says so. 2. Python. It's already there. 3.10 or better. Check. Type Python 3-version. If it's old, upgrade. Sudo apt install Python 3.12. Then sudo apt install Python 3-version pap. 3. VS Code. Open Firefox, it's pre-installed. Go to code.visualstudio.com. Click Download for Linux.deb file. Double-click it. Software installer pops up. Click Install. Done. Launch it from the menu. 4. Extensions. Same as Windows. Left sidebar. Extensions icon. Search Python by Microsoft. Jupyter Notebooks. Pylance Smart Code. Code Runner F5 runs. Live Share Team Stuff. 5. Lab Tools. BioPython. Pip install BioPython pandas. Matplotlib Seaborn. Pip install pandas matplotlib Seaborn. Ra sudo apt install rbase. Then in VS Code, search r extension install. Pymol sudo apt install pymol. Yes, it's in the repos. Runs perfect. 6. Optional Miniconda. If you want clean envies, Firefox, Reniconda.io, download Linux 64-bit. Double-click, follow prompts. After, conda create-n bio, Python equals 3.12. Conda activate bio, san, pip install, whatever. 7. Trim Zorin. It's already light, no bloat to kill. Just close the dock if it bugs you. Right-click dock, hide. Turn off animations, settings, right, appearance, disable animations, feels snappier. That's it. Your machine breathes now. Windows was the hog. Pause anytime. Want me to repeat one?
No, thank you. I will come back in the, if that's necessary. Thank you.
No worries. Good luck with the labs. Hit me up if anything stalls.